Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to learn about density. What is density? Let's talk about it. Density is the mass of any substance per unit volume of that substance. Suppose we are taking two objects of same size made up of different material. So if you weigh them, then definitely they will have different weight. So what's the reason behind it? Because each substance has different amount of matter inside it. So that's why a big size of foam will have the same weight as a small size of iron. So let's do an activity so that we can understand what is how density works. And we know that the heavier the density, the substance will go always at the bottom, always at the bottom. So I have four liquids with me. The four liquids are water, oil, salt water. I mix the salt into it, and liquid soap. These four liquids have different density. So let me talk about what are the density. Salt water has the maximum density. Then liquid soap. Liquid soap have less density than salt water. Then water, and then oil. Okay, so let me arrange it in a proper order. So this is the order. Maximum density, little less than this, and minimum. Out of this four, among these four. So let's do an activity, and I will keep all these liquids in a test tube. I have a test tube with me. So see this test tube, and I have a dropper also. So I will take the liquid in the dropper and I will put it inside. Okay, so first I will start with salt water. When you will pour this liquid inside the test tube, you should be very careful while putting this and should not touch the wall. And slowly put the whole wing of the dropper inside the test tube and then drop it. Done. Now we will take the liquid soap and use different dropper for different liquids. Now slowly you will pour this liquid soap inside it without touching the wall of the test tube. See, the liquid soap and the salt water does not mix and liquid soap does not go down as liquid soap is less denser than salt water. Next, go for the water. I'm taking another dropper and slowly we'll put it. See, the water also does not mix with the soap water and it is not going down because soap water, normal water is less denser than soap water. Next, we'll go for the oil and slowly we'll put it inside. And see, the oil is also didn't go down as the density of the oil is less than water. So like this way we can make a density column of different liquids and different density. So you can do it at your home with the used materials that you have at your home that is easily available. So try it and enjoy. Have a good day. Bye bye.